Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Guatemala? Let's explore. Construction work is a common job across Guatemala, especially in growing cities. The average annual gross salary for a construction worker is about $8,400, which comes down to around $700 per month. After taxes, that's roughly $6,800 a year, or around $570 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In big cities like Guatemala City, wages tend to be higher, while in rural regions workers often earn much less. Experience can change things. Entry-level workers might make around $5,000 a year, while skilled or experienced workers can earn closer to $11,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.